An engineer is designing a fountain that shoots out drops of water. The nozzle from which the water is launched is 3 meters above the ground. It shoots out a drop of water at a vertical velocity of 9 meters per second. Function h models the height in meters, h, of a drop of water t seconds after it is shot out from the nozzle. The function is defined by the equation h of t equals -5 times t squared plus 9 times t plus 3. How many seconds until the drop of water hits the ground? The height of the drop of water when it hits the ground is 0, so we can substitute 0 for h of t. There are many methods for solving this equation, but there are also a few that won't work. This function cannot easily be written in factored form because there is no combination of integer factors of the first coefficient, -5, and the third coefficient, 3, that would result in a middle term of 9. A function is considered prime when it cannot be written in factored form. Graphing technology is best to be used here. By using graphing technology, we can not only get a picture of the graph, but most graphing technologies have a method for determining exact values from the graph. When using Desmos, you can click on the point that you want to identify and it will define it for you. Since we want a height of 0 when the water hits the ground, we are looking for the x-intercept of the graph. In this situation, the water hits the ground after 2 seconds.